Hello and welcome back to Matilda's Messes. I'm Matilda, and if you hear that annoying sound in the background, that is my dishwasher. Because I'm actually doing chores. Yay! Okay, so I've had a week off from videos. I figured I would just take a week off and reflect on what I wanted to do for 2018. So I have my handy dandy planner and I am just going to go over what I have planned for the new year. I didn't make any big resolutions just because the bigger the resolution, the least likely you are to keep it. Baby steps is what makes a goal attainable. So for my first baby step, I figured I would just plan out my week ahead every Sunday. Seems pretty easy to do. And what I'm planning to do is basically do a set rhythm for my videos. This is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I didn't do the first week because I basically took the first week off from doing anything, including planning. But this is what I'm basically going to do. So Mondays are going to be a recap of the weekend before. Tuesdays are going to be Clean With Me Tuesdays, because I do most of my bigger chores over the weekend. That way I can video all of that. Put it in one, collage kind of video. And it'll be a little more simpler and won't be in two parts. It'll be sped up to the point where it's only about 7 minutes. So that'll be great. And then there's going to be Organization Wednesday, where for the rest of January, I'm going to organize one closet or room of the house. And then I will post that on there and I'll have narrations over it. I swear to God, I'm going to kill my neighbors. They keep making noise. And depending how small the project is, I will do a room or closet or two closets or whatever I have time for. And I will basically narrate the video on how I organized all of that and what supplies I used to do that with. Thursdays are going to be grocery hauls or shopping hauls. So that would be my shopping haul Thursday. Friday is going to be my reviews. If I do any reviews on products or services, it will be on Friday. And then Saturday and Sunday is where I'm going to film a bulk of the stuff that you may not see until the rest of the week. That way, I have way more time on the weekdays to do other things than just videos. So that will make my life much easier. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering what planner I use, if you don't know already, it is the Happy Planner. And this is a brand spanking new one. I haven't gotten around to putting my cover from my other one on here, or my cover protector, but oh my goodness, they put like the worst glue possible on this. Anyways, this is just a really cute white and gold polka dot cover. This just says 2018. It's cute and all, but I like my cover better. But the great thing about this is my cover that I had customized for me actually matches the inside of this, because it's black and white with some colorful flowers on it. So it just says on the first page, "Hello, this Happy Planner belongs to." I haven't put my name down yet. Again, I took the week off to basically reflect on life and get my shit together. Yeah. Okay. So this planner covers 2018, but it also has 2019 on there in case you want to plan ahead and circle some dates or whatever for the next year. When you buy your new planner, you can just rip this out and then just copy over, but I mostly just focused on 1 year at a time. That's really all my brain can take. And then here's a little page for January. It says January birthdays. And then important dates. I'm going to put Tui's birthday on here. He's at the end of the month. And then currently, and then has reading, planning, watching, cooking, eating, drinking, going, loving, feeling, listening, celebrating, dreaming. And then on the very bottom, it says don't forget New Year's Day, January 1st, and Martin Luther King Day, January 15th, which I actually have off from work. Both of those I had off from work, so I'm excited for another holiday already. And down here on this beautiful gold foil, it says, follow your dreams, they know the way. And as you can see, it's pretty gray, black and white themed. Love that because I do occasionally buy stickers to decorate my planners in, and the black and white does not clash with any colors I want to put in here. I think they had that in mind when they made this specific planner. This is like the basic of basic planners. Like, there's nothing customizable about it other than you can add pages in. And I already bought some packs of pages like for fitness and stuff that I will add in here later. And when I do, I'll update you guys on that. But basically, January, there's the whole month. And there's some nice boxes in there. And the grayed out boxes are the weekend. And then we have Monday through Saturday, as I showed you on here. And basically every month is the same like that. I mean, there's February that says dream every day. And then it has the same things for the February page. And then what does March say? March says high fives. And it's got a little variation on this page, but it's the same stuff. April just has a regular polka dot cover. Oh, dear Lord. May just says happiness. June says you are never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream. And it's by Les Brown. That's really pretty cool on there too. And July says no bad days. Yeah, right. I'm gonna try to not have bad days, but I'm one of those people, like, I'm a realist, so if it's a bad day, I'm just gonna accept it as the way it is. I'm not gonna try to be overly optimistic about it. It's plain stripes for August. September is you do you. I think that's the best quote so far. October says less stress, more yes. Okay, I like that one too. November has just a pretty, that's a really pretty gray checkerboard coloring to it. Picnic, kind of like a picnic blanket or picnic basket. And then December is just a very pinstripe paper with a gold foil heart on it. And that's about it. I think the end of each month, actually the end of the note is where the notes go. This, where it says notes, I use for addresses. Because it's always on the back of the December month, I put all the address of the people I send greeting cards to, and I'm just going to copy that over from the last page of my old 2017 planner. That way, if I need to correct any addresses from the old page and put them on here, that way I can do that. And the back is basically the same as the front, just without the 2018 on it. So yeah. I'm excited to use this. Actually, one of my chores tonight, besides washing dishes and putting some stuff in the slow cooker that I'm going to show you in a minute, is actually to take this off and put on my old cover that I love so much, and filling out for January. And labeling. What I'm going to do for videos is I'm going to put them the main themes of the videos in here. You know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Monday, weekend recap. Tuesday, clean with me Tuesday. Wednesday, organizational Wednesday. Thursday, shop with me Thursday. Friday, review with me Friday. And then one day out of the month is going to be the craft with me with Donna with Never in the Kitchen. And whenever we decide to do that, I'll just write it in here. So, and then in these, I'll just elaborate what exactly I'm going to do for each video, what I'm reviewing, what I'm shopping for, if I'm doing a grocery haul or a regular haul. I kind of list out the items that I'm going to review or I'm going to show you. And then for the other ones, like what I'm organizing, what I'm cleaning, all of that. So that will work. But I'm not gonna, I haven't decided yet or not if I'm gonna do a Clean With Me Tuesday every week. I may switch it out to the every other week and do something else that Tuesday, but that's what I'm gonna start off with until I find something else that I feel like videoing all the time. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Yeah, so that's what I'm basically doing, and today I'm just basically cleaning the kitchen and slow cooking some chicken. And let's go over to the kitchen and see what we have here. So I have here for 4 hours and 30 minutes. As you can see, it's been some time since I stuck it in. What I did is I took some chicken and cut it up and put some Italian seasoning on it with some olive oil, and there's some potatoes on the bottom. And really simple recipe, just 2 big chicken breasts or 4 little chicken breasts. I cut them up so they cook faster. You can leave them intact if you want, they just have to cook a little longer. And some chopped up peeled potatoes. Could be any potato you like, even sweet potatoes, but I'm more of a russet potato gal, so that's what I used. You put about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in there with the Italian seasoning of your choice. I do Italian dipping seasoning because it just tastes a little more robust. And salt and pepper to taste. I just put a little bit of each in there. And chopped up garlic or garlic powder, depending how much garlic you like. I love garlic, so I just chopped up some fresh garlic that I had laying around and put it in there. And it was about 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, so in case you guys were wondering what my KitchenAid looked like, it's like this. It is the really nice Robin's Egg Blue or Tiffany Blue or Ice Blue. I guess they call it Ice Blue. I call it more of a Tiffany Blue. Really, really pretty. This is where the attachments go. This is the thing that you hook the attachment to. Mixing bowl that comes with it is just a stainless steel one. Comes with a whisker attachment. This is the hook attachment. This is the oh, what's it called? The regular, I don't know. It's like the bowl scraper. I don't know, but it does its own thing too. And it also came with its own recipe and instructional book. So if I ever want to know what those are used for, I can just look in there. And this is wrapped up, so I'm not going to unwrap it. But this is a bowl shield. Basically, if you put anything wet in the bowl and you have the thing going in there, it's not going to splatter everywhere if you pour it in through the spout in here instead of pouring it straight. So, I'm excited to use that. I'm really excited to use this. Oh my goodness. I did test it out to see if it worked. It did work. I just have it right here for right now with everything because I'm trying to decide where to put it in my kitchen. I do not have the biggest kitchen in the world. So, yeah. That's what it's going to live right here until I basically clear a space for it. And we're just gonna have to reorganize the kitchen, which I will film for you guys, and you'll see how I reorganize my kitchen. My kitchen's pretty normal size for most 2-bedroom apartments. We do not live in a luxury apartment at all, but it's not like the most ghetto apartment at all either. So I think reorganizing the kitchen is going to be the best idea for more space. So this will obviously stay out because it's so big. So will the slow cooker, but things like my rice cooker, oh my God, Tui, why? He leaves trash out. He never puts it in the trash can. Do y'all have men at home that just refuse to use the freaking trash can? Like, they're like, oh, here's a counter. And it's like, no, that's not the trash can. Trash can's right here. It's not hard to miss. And then we'll focus on the bathroom. Yes, we're going to have to reorganize the bathroom, the linen closet, the coat closet, the bedroom, the bathroom, and lastly, what I'm not looking forward to, the office and its closet. Oh boy. I'd rather tackle the bedroom and bathroom anytime. I don't want to be in that office other than when I'm working. And to reorganize the office and get rid of stuff from the office is going to be a hard task because a lot of stuff is in there. That's basically our junk room. And it's just got to be done. I know it's got to be done, but I'm having panic attacks just thinking about it. That's what I'll be doing for 2018. That's what I'm doing for videos. That's the plan. Is it going to change? Maybe. Thank you so much for watching Matilda's Messes. Feel free to subscribe or give a thumbs up to this video if you like this video and if you want to see more videos. And I look forward to spending the rest of 2018 with all of y'all.